Let's see how to set up a keyboard shortcut in SQL Server. So basically, whenever you want to select records from the table, you will always write select star from and some table name. So I have the product table, right? So always you have to write this query and you have to put some where conditions and all, right? So what I will do is, instead of writing this repeated lines, so the basic lines, right, we will set up some shortcut for this. So go to this tools, go to the options, you have keyboard settings, click on that, and below that keyboard, right, you will have query shortcuts. So go to that. Already alt F1, control 1, control 2 and all occupied with some predefined statement. So I'll use this control 3, select star from, okay, and control 4 I will use for sp underscore help text. So this is useful to get the query of the stored procedure and functions, right? So control 5 I will use select top 1 star from, that's it. Okay, let me give okay, and let's close this and open the SQL server. I'll just close this SQL server and again I will open. I connected to the database. Select the table. Okay, so now we have some tables in this. Let me take the product table again. Okay, so product table I have. Instead of writing that select star from product, right, I'll just have this product table. Press Control 3. See, it will automatically give you all the results in the product table. It will select the all the records in the product table. Suppose I want to write, sorry, I want to select only one record. So Control 5. See, first one record, because we have defined it here. Control 5 is for only one record, top one, and Control 3 is for all the records, and Control 4 is sp underscore help text. So sp underscore help text is for to extract the code in the stored procedure. So let me see what stored procedures we have. sp underscore product is the one of the stored procedure. sp underscore product. So what you can do, control, just select it and keep that shortcut key, control 4. See, automatically it is coming. If you give control T, control 4, it will come in this format. Again control D, control 4 is for table format. So make sure that control D for, see, I will give control D and control +4. Okay, this is for table format, and the text format is control T, control 4. Why this 4? We have already predefined that in this keyboard shortcut, control 4. Okay, control T, control 4, text format, and again control D, sorry, control D, control 4, this table. If you have any other shortcuts, go to this options and keyboard settings, you can make it use of it. Thank you.